Let's learn how to read every fraction of an inch on a ruler. 1 inch is divided into 16 equal parts. Each of these parts is called 1/16 of an inch. Now, let's read them one by one. The first small line after 0 is 1/16 of an inch. The second line is 2/16, which simplifies to 1/8 of an inch. The third line is 3/16 of an inch. The fourth line is 4/16 or 1/4 of an inch. Next, the fifth line is 5/16. The sixth line is 6/16, which simplifies to 3/8 of an inch. The seventh line is 7/16. The eighth line is 8/16 or simply 1/2 inch. Continuing, the ninth line is 9/16. The 10th line is 10/16, which simplifies to 5/8 of an inch. The 11th line is 11/16. The 12th line is 12/16 or 3/4 of an inch. And finally, the 13th line is 13/16. The 14th line is 14/16, which simplifies to 7/8 of an inch. The 15th line is 15/16, and the 16th line completes the ends 16/16, or simply 1 inch. So remember, the smallest lines are 16ths. Every 2/16 make 1/8. Every 4/16 make 1/4, and every 8/16 make 1/2. This is how we read every fraction inside 1 inch on a ruler.